Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hi, welcome to DWBIADDA Angular tutorials. Today we are going to learn about the Angular pipes. So what are pipes? Pipes are basically, we use the pipe to change the format of a string.
Pipe applied to a string. So pipe can be a custom pipe, pipe can be a normal inbuilt pipe. So as we use date pipe, the string will be or the date will be changed to the required format MMDDYYI, and if we use the pipe as uppercase, the string will be converted to uppercase, lowercase, the string will be converted to the lowercase. So if we use chained pipe means we use date pipe in front, then we use another pipe after the date pipe. That will be chain pipe. So the string first will be converted to the date format, then it will be converted to uppercase or lower. We can chain two custom pipes as well. We can create two custom settings and chain those pipes to make the string into the required format or required order or required position.
So these pipes are of several types. Basically they are async pipe, currency pipe, date pipe. So this is the date pipe we are using, decimal pipe, Json pipe, percentage pipe, lowercase pipe, uppercase pipe, slice pipe, Titlecase pipe. So these are basically pipes we are using. Those are built-in pipes. So I'll explain you all this one by one. So this is date pipe. So what I have done, I have declared a variable called date and stored a date format. This is simple JavaScript code that we are.
So we are storing the date today, the date defined into a variable.
This is the variable birthday, and we are storing the date variable into it. And if you don't use pipe, let me show you first the output with the pipe. So this is the output with the pipe we are getting. Now we will remove this pipe from here. Just save it. It will take some time to refresh. So you can see how long the date format is coming, but we want it according to a readable format, which is easy to read by the user, or it is a project requirement that this is how the date should be shown. So this is the one way to do it. Just use the pipe. You see, so this is what pipe does in Angular. So they change the format. Say for example you want a specific date format. So what you do, you write here something like this. So date is the date pipe, then we are mentioning this in this format, we need the date is. Save this code, go into to see the output. So you see, so this is the date we have mentioned. So if you change that to today's date, you will see that date here. Well, now what we will do, we will change the format. Mostly this format is very popular because this is the real state format. Save the code. You see, so these are date pipes. So next type of pipes are case pipes. We write here uppercase. Now when we go to see the output, so basically because it's a date in there, that's why it's not coming. We'll change this date to this string. So this is the string which is coming now. Here is the uppercase written. You see, we have entered the string in a Titlecase, but as an output we are getting the uppercase. We can use their lowercase as well. Now if you go here and check, you see everything is coming in lowercase. So these are case pipes. So now what we are doing, we are changing two pipes. We'll keep this to date. We change this to date. And we will use another pipe with this. Say uppercase. You see, we get date in an uppercase format. So now we can chain 1, 2, 3 pipes as and when, wherever it's a need. So now what we will do, we will generate a pipe through command line. So we go to the command line. We'll stop this project as for now. We ng generate pipe. Say we want file size. You press enter. This will take a little bit of time. So now the pipe has been generated. You can see. We will run the project again. So now you can see the pipe has been generated. We are running the project again. It will take some time. So now the project is up and running. Now we will see the generated pipe. You see here, file-size pipe.ts. So this is our pipe. In app module as well, there is an entry of file size, which is in declarations. This is very important. Without this, the custom pipe will not work. So we will make a custom pipe in the next tutorial. So stay tuned for the next tutorial. Thank you.